Well, maybe this ain't the best YouTube video to watch, but I got her did. What's up, everybody? So today, 96 V8 5.7 6-speed Camaro. Fuel pump's out of it. About to change it out. I'm not gonna cut a hole in there because this is a really good car. I don't want to chop it all up, so I'm gonna do it the old school way. Maybe it's not the old school way. I'm gonna do it the hard way. Drop the rear end or drop the exhaust, or I don't know. It's my first time doing it, so I guess we'll learn together. Let's get to it. Starting off, you gotta take off the two bars that goes from here to the other side. It's not on there at the moment. There's one that goes here to there, from the frame to right here. I just undid this one, lifted in there. After you do that, the exhaust is in the way, right? I don't know if factory, if it's like this or not, but I undid that clamp right there. Mine had that little clamp on it, so I undid that, pulled this off, allowed it to dangle so I could maneuver it out of my way. And it's just hung on the rear end right there. Then you got these shields. There's two bolts in the back. One there, one there. One over here, right there. And one here. Then you gotta take this one off too. I think there's one here, right there. There might have been one there too. I got both there. There's one there too. You gotta get all that out of the way so this can maneuver and dangle. And you want to do your gas cap, which of course you undo your gas cap, and then there's a Phillips screw here and here. I done bit mine. I'm gonna have to bend mine back. If you do bend it, you just get a bar of some type and just just bend it back wherever you need it, wherever it fits. And as far as the hookups to it, this little piece right here, which I accidentally broke, which originally set right there, looked like that. Accidentally broke that off. Then you have your fuel line, which you have to undo here to give it slack. And then you got your return line, which is the same style fitting as up there, that goes to right here. I ended up breaking mine, and it was really expensive, and I don't want to buy one, so I just got a hose and put it back on there. That goes up to the fuel pump. Then you got your fuel pump's connector right here. This is the new one, so it's kind of tight. Then you go up here, and you have this hose that you'd slide out. These have those pop connectors. You'll push down and whip a little bit and pull on it like it. You have another one over here. It's held down by tape right here. You undo it and have better access. And now you got this line right here, which goes to your fuel filter. There might be, I think there's another tab up there you can disconnect it, but I can't really get to it on this side. I'm gonna go to the other side and see. And yes, you have a connection right there. 5 bolts. Mine was a 5/16, at least that's what I used. About to see if we can get it out. I was able to get it out like that. Wasn't easy. A lot of finagling. So I got the other one out. The old one seems to be made a lot better than the newer one. The float on the new one looks really, really cheap. And just everything looks cheaper on it. Everything's cheaper nowadays. Anyway, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and I went ahead and disconnected some of these hoses. That after I get this bottom piece in there, I can reconnect. And what that's going to do is that's going to allow this thing to hinge a lot easier. And hopefully go in a lot easier than it came out. This new one did come with a new gasket, new seal. Where are they at? Right here. And new bolts. Seal, springs, and bolts. If you was to buy just the fuel pump, this would be the fuel pump itself. You'll just, on the older one, it's just held in by this and you slide it down. On this one, it's riveted, but just change that out. Change these out, put it on the old assembly or unit, and then put it back in. I went ahead and just bought the whole new thing. Just been done with it. Welcome back to How I Did a Garage. Today, we're going to be putting this in that.